Words of wisdom for the universe. All things in the universe are generated by yin and yun. Yin is the mother and yun is the father. Yin and yun encompass each other. With yin and yun, things can be tangible or intangible. For all things in the world, spirit shapes the heart. Ideas come from the heart. Action comes out of love. Effect is the result of cause. Appearance takes from form. Ideas come and go. Life goes on, round and round to the boundless. It can reach up to heaven, in the middle to the mortal world, and down to the earth. It passes from heaven to man, from man to the earth, from the earth to man, and from man to man. Heaven, man, and the earth form the Trinity. There is heaven beyond heaven, man beyond man, and earth beyond the earth. Heaven dominates Qi. Qi dominates spirit. Spirit dominates action. Heaven determines mercy. Mass decides calm, and calm results in wisdom. Wisdom generates the spiritual state. The spiritual state generates desire. Desire leads to greed. Heaven is the soul, man is the body, and the earth is the carrier. Heaven, the earth, and man are a unity. Mind, body, and action are a unity. Heaven loves man. Man honors heaven. The earth nourishes man. Qi is the medium of heaven. Energy is the medium of man. Water is the medium of the earth. Heaven generates 6 Qi, and there is the weather. Man senses 6 Qi and has the energy. The earth preserves 6 Qi, and there is the geogas. Heaven, man, and the earth are 3 in 1, which is all things and the greatest. Heaven is up high, man is in the middle, and the earth is down below. The endless life of heaven, man, and the earth is driven by Qi, which nourishes and prolongs life. Heaven has psychic energy, so has love, air, man, and the earth. Air is in the sky and moves with the wind, rains with mist, snows when the cold hits. Mist, rain, and snow eventually turn into water. Water is the medium, the manna of heaven. The water from heaven is kept in the earth. When the water is still, it forms lakes. When it moves, it forms either streams, rivers, or seas. The lakes and seas are the energy fields of the earth. The mountains are the bones of the earth. The water of rivers and lakes is the blood of the earth. The thick soil is the flesh of the earth. The vegetation is the hair of the earth. Seas, rivers, and streams are the blood veins of the earth. Heaven transmits the energy of the universe into the earth through mountains. Energy is integrated into water through air. When it stills, it looks like the surface of a mirror. When it moves, it shows ripples. When it meets light energy, it forms cyclone shapes. When it enters the earth, it nourishes the myriad natures of the earth, endows the spiritual nature of all things, presents the life of all things. Water is the source of the life of all things. Water vapor forms energy. Energy is stored in water. For all things, when there is water, there is psychic energy. When there is psychic energy, there is life. Where there is life, there is mass. Where there is mass, there is feeling. Where there is feeling, there is peace. When there is peace, there is wisdom. A man of spirit and peace is composed. A man of spirit and peace is wise. A man of spirit and peace is kind. Kindness is the great psychic energy of all things, the harmony of all things, the principle of all things, the outcome of all things, the beauty of all things, the spirit of all things, and the master of all things.